Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your ThinkPad docking station is showing a blinking yellow light, it can be confusing because the dock may appear powered but not working properly with your laptop or connected devices. This light usually indicates a connection or power-related issue, and it often prevents the dock from functioning as expected. You might notice that your laptop isn't charging, external monitors are not detected, or USB devices are not responding. The good thing is that this is usually not a serious hardware failure but a signal that something needs to be checked or reset. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the blinking yellow light on your ThinkPad docking station. Try these. Step 1. Ensure the docking station is connected to a proper power source. Step 2. Check that the dock cable is securely connected to your laptop. Step 3. Disconnect and reconnect the docking station. Step 4. Inspect the power adapter and cable for any damage. Step 5. Restart your laptop to refresh the connection. Step 6. Check if the yellow light stops blinking and devices start working.